I honestly think it'd be weird if I wasn't standing in the tire. Oh, son of a... I was in kind of a good mood this morning. I'm not really happy right now. Alright, I think I gotta move. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Where have you guys been? Hey everybody, I miss you guys. Miss making these videos. Just been kind of busy. I'm gonna say spinning my wheels. Yeah, that's kind of what I've been calling. I've been spinning my wheels. Been working a lot, been teaching a lot. Been working on some other video stuff, which kind of, I don't know, it's just kind of an ongoing saga. I'm over 800 subscribers now. If you're new to this channel, welcome to it. Thank you so much. I used to post more. This past couple weeks I haven't posted as much. Been trying to busy, kind of regrouping, kind of like what a lot of people are doing. So I'm just kind of trying to figure out how to stay afloat in these times. Alright, let's go and stay afloat. Beautiful Chiang Mai. It's not as busy as it was 3 months ago, but it's a lot busier than it was 3 weeks ago. It's interesting, I met a couple subscribers since I last saw you guys. I met Darryl and I met Kevin. Really nice guys from the USA. Actually, I'll show Darryl coming up. Get out of their way. Darryl I met last week, and Kevin I met a couple of days ago. You know, let me show when I met Darryl. All right, I don't have food on my face. I just ate lunch. If I did, you guys would tell me, right? All right, I'm gonna meet Darryl. He's a subscriber. We're gonna meet at an abandoned tire. I mean, that doesn't sound shady at all. Oh, I'm sorry, we're gonna meet at an abandoned tire in an abandoned parking lot. Wait, no, actually it's not right. We're gonna meet at a tire in an abandoned parking lot. All right, I don't know, I gotta go. He's gonna be there in a couple minutes. Don't wanna be late, even though it's right down the road from me. So here's the tire. I'm not seeing Darryl. I am a couple minutes early, so I'll just stand here. Okay, I wonder if I should stand near the tire or in the tire. I honestly think it'd be weird if I wasn't standing in the tire. Oh, there he is, he's right there. Oh, darn, maybe should I get back in the tire? Oh, nice bike. Hey, let's go, Darryl. Oh, you matched your bike. I need to wear purple and green and stuff.
Oh, and I have something for you, yeah.
Oh, what? All right, excellent.
It matches because my wife she's a professional seamstress.
Oh yeah, she makes masks and stuff. Oh yeah, your mask matches.
I got you one Americana kind of.
Oh wow, great! Thank you so much.
That's from Gift. Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much.
Okay.
Oh, very nice. Yeah. It can represent. All right, we'll turn the camera off. I'm acting stranger than normal right now. I gotta turn the camera off. All right. Yeah, we're gonna go get some coffee at this nice little coffee shop.
And that's our little dog. That's our Chihuahua, Leo.
Oh, nice. All right.
I named him after Leo Beer.
I'll include a link down below. All right, we're having some, let's see, toi yam, which is like chilies and onions and stuff with peanuts, and some good old-fashioned chicken wings. All right. So am I as big of a weirdo in person as I am? You're really dark.
Oh, I can't believe it. He's just.
All right, great.
Cam's a cool guy.
Really? Yeah. Right. He's not telling the truth. I'm not a cool guy.
Yeah, you are.
But I'm interesting. All right. Well, it's nice meeting you. Do a fist bump. Fist bump's all right.
Pump.
There you go. All right. Hand sanitizer. All right. Take it easy. Good seeing you. Yeah, so that was Darryl. Good guy. Cool mask. I didn't bring it with me. I didn't want to mess it up. I brought my, got my mask here in case I'm around some people in a confined area, which Hasn't been the case too much lately. A couple of days ago I went to the bus station to see if there was any bus tickets for me to go to Pray to see my girlfriend. You know what, let me show that video. Lucky number jet. I'm out of breath. Keeping America even greater theme going. And this week I met a subscriber. His name is Darryl. And you know what? He gave me a good gift that will complete my outfit. His wife makes these. Very nice. Thank you so much, Darryl. It's nice to meet you a couple days ago. Wow, I hope I'm not being too loud. It's around 7:30 in the morning. Actually, you know what? Let me take the elevator back. While I wait for that, you know what? Let's talk in the elevator. I don't want to be too loud. It's early. I have no idea what this video is going to be. So you know what? Let me go. Let me get in here. Left my door unlocked. It's safe. Oh jeez. Oh my gosh. I ate a bunch of brownies last night, so I have a little bit of indigestion. Today, in this video, is gonna be a mishmash. I'll be in different places. I'll be pointing at the camera. I'll be inaudible. The camera will be shaky. You know what you grow to expect from Bruno Unframed. Speaking of Bruno Unframed, I have over 800 subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm really happy and very appreciative of that. I need some coffee. I'm not gonna wear this out. Oh yeah, the stair thing, I do that just to try to keep in shape. I've been doing that for a couple months. I go up and down the stairs just to try to get some exercise. Actually, I just go up the stairs. I don't know why I don't go down the stairs. I take the elevator down. Maybe because I'm tired. Maybe because I'm out of shape. Maybe because I'm old. Maybe because I have sore joints. I don't know. Whatever. I need to get some coffee. All right, heading out. Blue. Pollution's high, so I should be wearing a mask. I have one in my pocket, of course. Actually, you don't leave home without a mask these days. It's viruses, pollution, bank robberies. Yeah, thanks, sir. Bank robberies, really bright. There's a bunch of food delivery guys. Got food for me? No food? All right, Cup. All right, where's my bike? I parked someplace different. Despite the small amounts of pollution, it's pretty nice out today. Let's take a look-see here. This is behind my place. And actually, when I shoot video outside my window, it's this area here behind my place. My condo is right up there. To the city. All right, every couple of days I stop by the bus station, see if they're selling tickets, see if I can get a ticket to go to Pray to see my girlfriend. So, I don't know, it doesn't look like it, but let's go inside. No. Let's wake up. This is where I buy a ticket. And this looks very closed. So, when can I buy a ticket to Pray?
Now I have sale ticket for Thai people only.
Oh, that's nice.
Sorry.
All right, Cup. That was a new one. I don't know if you heard him, but basically, no, he said that you can only get a ticket to Pray if you're a Thai person. Foreigners cannot buy tickets to go to Pray. So I don't know when I'll be able to see my girlfriend. That's a new one. All right, you know, whatever. I'm gonna go and get some coffee. That was great. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I should I'll show the bus station, how empty it is. I don't know, whatever. Why can't foreigners go to Pray? That's great. Yeah, empty bus station. You know, let me take this freaking mask off, doesn't matter. Maybe I should go total American. I should put the American face mask on, put the headband on, and ask to speak to a manager. That's great. Well, this is where I usually catch the bus. Haven't taken a bus to pray in months. This is where I usually sit and wait, grab a bite to eat. That's great. Oh, yeah, there's people waiting. Yeah, there's going to be a bus for pray. Yeah, this is where I go. So there is a bus. So it's great. There is a bus to pray. It's just I can't take it. Oh well, let's get out of here. Let's get some coffee. We have to go to pray. I don't get to go to pray. That's awesome. That's wonderful. I was in kind of a good mood this morning. I'm not really happy right now. That's I don't know. I don't know what the rationale is of that. All right, let me get out of here. All right, well, I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm at a place called, what is this called? Oh, Da's Bakery. I'm here with a friend. We're gonna get some, oh, let me show my beautiful face. Bad light. Gonna get some breakfast and some coffee. Hey, let's roll. Hey, let's roll. That coffee was good. It was good. I swear there was an empty plate here like 10 minutes ago. Very good place. I'll definitely come back here again. Yeah, great service, good food, pretty cheap, 80 baht for the breakfast, and the coffee maybe 30, 40 baht. So it should be under 150 baht. Bruno Unframed on a budget, baby. I'll see you someplace different. Yeah, that was the bus station. I was pretty upset. Still am upset. I don't know where it is. Things are gonna get out of your way. Oh. Word on the street is that I'm on a video up there, but these kids are playing around on the stairs. Damn kids. There you go. That way. Yeah, let me get through here. Okay, I don't know if I'm just being paranoid, but it's kind of some shady characters hanging around on the bridge. Not necessarily those girls, but there's some guys. They have mirrored sunglasses on, so they have to be gangsters. Let's go down there. All right, it is hot as hell. I brought a bunch of camera stuff. I didn't really plan on shooting vlog style, but actually I didn't really know what to shoot today. I'm gonna go and get some water. Where can I get water? Oh, actually there's a place there that sells water. Min nam plow cup. Oh, cup of them. Teeny cup. Cup of them. Hey, self-serve. Like it. All right, cup. DDD. Oh, yeah, lifesaver. All right, let's go to the temple. There's a temple over here. Here's where I was. And this is where I am. Ow. Now let's sit right here. I see this guy walking everywhere. Hey, how's it going?
Morning.
I see you all the time, everywhere. I see you at Loy Crow Road.
Right.
I see you by the train station. You're a good walker.
Yeah, they can walk again.
Yeah, good walker. All right. All right, couple. Yeah, couple. Yeah, good.
Okay.
I see that guy everywhere. Nap time. Is that a mirror or is that a door? All right. Either I'm getting fatter or that mirror is distorted. I think it's a little bit of both. You know, a lot of foreigners here who say once you see one temple, you've seen them all. I disagree. Man, I love the temples so much here. I think it's good that I go places that I like going to, like temples. I don't get too much sunlight. I don't think I get a lot of vitamin D, so I probably should probably get outside more during the day. I go out more at night for some reason. 'Cause usually I'm inside working during the day, so I go out at night. So I think I need to go out more. I don't know, maybe it'll bless my camera. I don't know. You know, I'm gonna end the video here. Oh, son of a, gosh, darn it. Oh, I stepped in dog poo. Ugh. Oh, gosh. Oh, man, where can I wipe this off? It's freaking, man, it's a temple. I don't wanna dig off the side here. It's okay. It must have been old. It's not too bad. All right, so it's not, could have been worse. I don't know. Something dog crap. All right. This is the best video ever. You know what? I think that was a sign that I need to end the video here. All right. If you're new to my channel, I can't believe I stepped in dog crap. Oh man, it stinks. I didn't get too much on my foot actually, but it does stink. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I mean, where else can you see a middle-aged man walking around with the camera on a tripod, speaking to it, stepping in dog crap in a Buddhist temple in northern Thailand? Bruno Unframed, baby. If you are subscribed, click that bell, get notifications when new content comes out. You're not gonna wanna miss this stellar stuff. If you like this video, hey, why not? Give it a thumbs up. Please comment below, let me know how you're doing. If you wanna send me a message, please click on the Instagram link down below. You can send me a direct message there. And as always, no matter who you are or where you are, push.